I cleaned the surfaces on both sides. Now this thing's just gotta go on now. Wow. You versus the guy who told you not to worry about. Wow. Cool.
Just realized you put that all upside down. Why didn't you flip this fucking thing?
I'm too lazy, bro. It's already here.
And then where are the bolts for these ones? This one?
They're somewhere. Yeah!
Bro, this is crazy. It's like an advanced Lego set.
Fuck. Yeah, except if you fuck up, you fucking just lost like fucking $1 million.
Give it a good
I'm not doing this in any particular order. I'm just doing it in a order from center out because that's usually how you do this shit. I have the seals ready to go for these, so this is going to be the upper one because this is where the cam gears go, and this is going to be the lower one because there's no cam gear down there. I got this tool that I'm borrowing from somebody, and I'm just gonna bonk it in there. Well, looks good to me. And lubricate the opening a little bit so I could go ahead and get it on there. No, I need a longer one. Longer one, see? Wow! Not just digging it a little bit. Oh yeah, digging in me, you digging in me. And then, would you look at that? Holy shit! Bumbleclap. What the fuck? This shit sounds like mint for real.
ultra black cock.
Yeah, I love cock. Whoa, who said that? Gee whiz, I hope my hair is in the way. God damn it. Always some shit in the way. Yeah, that shit does definitely not have a torque spec. That should barely fucking
See what you're looking at?
this should barely move
I don't know what you're talking about.
these things.
Oh,
Yeah, see, they don't.
I think they just bottom out.
That's it.
Alright, man. Have a good night.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna do this like a super ghetto way. I'm gonna use like a power steering pulley and then whatever the hell this thing is to get this in potentially. Yeah, that's it right there. Hell yeah.